I used to buy a lotto ticket every week in the hopes that I would be able to retire early and build the life of my dreams. I worked a 9 to 5 and I made $60K per year, and I still barely had enough money to pay for repairs that my house needed, to pay for vacations, to pay for daycare, and all of those things. My best way to get out of that life at the time was buying a lotto ticket, and I learned it from my dad, who paid his poor tax his whole life of buying a lotto ticket every week of his life. Suddenly it hit me though, why am I buying a lotto ticket and taking a bet on someone else's jackpot, right? And I decided to take a bet on myself. I bet on myself in 2011, and I started a business that at that time wasn't that successful. It never took off in the way that I wanted. But I tried again in 2017. I took another bet on myself, and it turned out 1,000,000 times better than I could have ever imagined. So the point of this video is take a bet on yourself.